Hi everyone, I'm super excited to be sharing with you this amazing sub bag for April from Nails Truly. And I am so excited that I can finally share this with you. It's been a hot minute since I've been sitting on this sub bag, and April finally rolled around, and now it's time to share with you this really fun magical sub bag from Nails Truly. So let's dive right into this before we get into the giveaway, because there is going to be a giveaway. So the first thing in here, it is a cuticle oil, and I really like the packaging of this cuticle oil because it's in its own individual package. So if there was ever any chance of any leaking or anything like that, it's not going to wreck everything else in the bag. And the scent is called A Troop of Toots, which is a really fun name, and it smells amazing. It is a little bit sweet, but yet tropical. And the scent really ties in this whole bag together, and I love the dropper of these cuticle oils because you can just get right into that cuticle line, and a little bit goes a long way, and it smells amazingly, and the bottle is super cute as well. So this is what the cuticle oil looks like, and I just really like how simple it is. And then there is 2 dips in this bag, and yes, you can see there it has my Instagram handle on it, which I'm so excited about. So the first dip here is going to be a staple in your collection. This is a beautiful pearl shimmer white background dip powder, and it is a buttery, shimmery, and it is like you're dipping into a cloud. And then this fun one right here is going to give away the whole theme of this bag right here. It's a beautiful teal, and it has Mickey in this dip. And if you know me, I'm obsessed with Disney. So this bag is definitely near and dear to me. So the next thing in this bag is a manicure kit, which has a file, a buffer, and an orange wood stick. Everything you're going to need to create an at-home mani. And that orange stick is definitely key when you are playing with some decals and dip powder. And the moment you've all been waiting for, the reveal of the decals. So the first one here is Beauty and the Beast. You have Belle, you have the Beast, you have the Fallen Rose. So super fun. And then my all-time favorite is Little Mermaid. We have Ariel, Sebastian, Flounder, and then we have Mickey, which has Minnie, Mickey, some Mickey heads. Super cute, perfect for Disney World. And then this sub bag would not be completed without 3 wishes from our pal Genie from Aladdin. How fun is this sheet? Followed by these classic Mickey silhouettes in the perfect colors of the staple Mickey of black, red, and yellow. And then we have an iconic movie of Hercules, which is amazing. And then I'm not going to be able to let this mani go until I get a Frozen mani. How fun are these decals with Elsa and Anna? It is perfect. And then we have a really fun one, which is leopard. And if you know, I love leopard print. And this has the best of both worlds with Mickey, Minnie, and leopard print. I am over the moon. And here are all 8 decals. So the sub bag consists of 2 dips, 8 decal sheets, a cuticle oil, and then that manicure kit, which is so fun. And it's not a reoccurring sub bag, it's a one-time sub bag only. And you do not want to miss these exclusive sheets and the 2 exclusive dips, which are amazing because you get that white shimmer, which is perfect for the decals, and then you have some fun Mickeys and that other beautiful teal one. And then can't forget about that cuticle oil, which is a beautiful tropical scent, which kind of reminds me like I'm sitting at Disney World eating some Dole Whip in the tiki room. Okay, so let's dive into the giveaway. So one lucky winner is going to win this sub bag from Nails Truly. How exciting is that? How do you enter? So you're going to have to do 3 things. The first thing is you're going to need to be subscribed to my channel. You're also going to need to follow the Nails Truly Facebook group, which the link to the Facebook group can be found in the description box below this video. And then you do need to let me know what your favorite Disney character is in the comment section of this video. So you need to do 3 things. Subscribe to my channel, follow Nails Truly on Facebook in the Facebook group, and then you need to let me know what your favorite Disney character is in the comment below, and then you will be entered to win this really awesome Disney sub bag. And I will be doing a spinning of the wheel, and that's how we will select the winner of this sub bag. Now this bag is very limited edition and there's limited quantities, so if you do end up purchasing this sub bag and you do win, Nails Truly will give you a gift card in the amount that you paid for that sub bag, so then you can go ahead and purchase something else that your heart desires on the Nails Truly website. So that is how this giveaway is going to go. All right, so I'm very excited. Stay tuned. We do have a whole week and a half jam-packed filled with Disney. It is going to be a Disney week on my YouTube channel, so stay tuned for that. And I will throw in some non-Disney manis in the content as well, just to mix it up. so we're not just oversaturated by Disney, even though I really want to do every single mani with Disney, but I will not do that to you. So good luck to everyone who wins. Don't forget to follow those 3 steps to enter the giveaway, and I'll see you in the next upload.